Welcome to the Echo Traveler. This isn't just a podcast. It's a ripple through time. Buckle your soul and enjoy the ride.
Stage 362. Heavy metal. The Ark is no longer a ship. It's becoming a dimension-born fortress. Wood has sung. Directives have echoed. But now, metal rises. Say Tony A grins under a welding mask. Crank the amps. We're building salvation in drop D tuning. Say Tony A declares enthusiastically. Adam oversees the rising of the Ark's walls, vast slabs etched with survivor glyphs, fused with vines and fireproof stone. Say Tony A finds the metal memory room, full of spikes, gold piping, fig-shaped cannon barrels, and one flaming guitar named Exodust. Say Tony A suits up in chrome and welds absurd armor onto the Ark. Below, ALT Tony calibrates the Ark's pumps, tuned to Eden's heartbeat. Tony A plugs a vine-wrapped resonance cable into a cosmic amplifier. The Ark roars. Nagaliles drops bass. Cherubim solo through trumpet lungs. Eve rips a harp axe solo in figmail. Moses stage dives into a mosh pit of dimension clones. The final weld is a flaming note at 432 Hz. The harmonic of truth. Laughter, noise, steel, music, light. The Ark seals. Stage 362 ends not with silence, but with metal, walls that hold memory, armor that declares identity, pumps that breathe prophecy, sound that shields reality. This Ark is not something you build. This Ark is something you survive, and now it's ready to rise.
Ark of the Early Messiah by Netta Stroll. Read free on Amazon now.
This echo wasn't random. It chose you. So if you felt it deep in the folds of time or somewhere behind your eyes, then you know what to do. Like, subscribe, illuminate the covenant, because Messiah doesn't return in silence. He arrives in quantum harmonics, in the first light, in you. I'm Satonium Nukamado, ex-Time Lord, time traveler in exile, and keeper of the spiraling clam key. Until we align again, stay luminous.